Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Yale Assure Lock SL, a sleek, keyless touchscreen deadbolt that makes home security smarter and easier. This lock completely eliminates the need for traditional keys. With a simple 4 to 8-digit PIN code, you and your family can unlock the door in seconds. The touchscreen keypad has a backlit design, so even at night you can enter your code without fumbling for a flashlight. One standout feature is the auto lock function. Forget to lock your door? No problem. The Yale Assure Lock SL takes care of it for you. Installation is straightforward and works with most standard doors, so you don't need to be a DIY pro to set it up. It also supports multiple unique PIN codes, perfect for giving access to family members, friends, or even Airbnb guests. One Amazon reviewer said, "This lock gave me peace of mind. No more lost keys, and setup was much easier than expected." Another customer shared, "I installed it for my rental property and love how I can provide temporary codes for tenants. No more copying keys." The design is slim and modern with a black suede finish, blending perfectly with contemporary home styles. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it offers long-lasting performance and will alert you when batteries are running low. If you're looking for a safe, stylish, and convenient way to upgrade your home security, the Yale Assure Lock SL is an excellent choice. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today and step into the future of keyless living.